The black one's gonna be soon now. Oh, she got scared because it went in the room. I don't want it in that room. It'll get a lot of hair in there if it's in that room. She's going out. It's not really like that anymore. Dead now. But it's clearly doing this. See? Just like the kid. I should have waited to plug in the clear and this was dead. Alright, turn around. Oh no, it's dead. No!